Hi guys, it is Dani and welcome to this video. I trust and hope you're doing really amazing. And it is Christmas week, that time of the year that many people look forward to. And this Christmas especially, let's not forget the Christ in Christmas while we are going about with our celebrations. Now we're going to be looking at the weather update and the kind of weather that is normally stigmatized with Christmas, where it's cool or cold, especially for countries further north, is definitely something that is very much prevalent right now. And us in the Caribbean will be feeling a bit of hints of that because we're in the tropics. We're warm all year round. But this week, as we progress towards Christmas, things are definitely going to be cooling down for many of us. It's already started with some intermittent rain across sections of the Caribbean, especially northern islands and even in the vicinity of the Bahamas as well. So with the frontal system making its way out of the US, it's bringing down some cooler air. This is the frontal system here. We can see, that's a terrible arrow there, but we can see some activity still in association with it. So it is certainly helping out to bring that cooler air down. And we've got some instances of intermittent rain, as I mentioned already, across sections of the Caribbean. So we'll look at that rainfall forecast in a moment. For the Lesser Antilles, just a few passing clouds here and there. Maybe it will bring us stray showers, so nothing much. ABC Islands down here in the clear. We don't really see anything at all on satellite. And then we also got those instances of showers moving towards Central America. So let's go ahead and look at that rain forecast. Here we go. This is what the Euro is showing. And more color means more rain. So as we're going to be heading throughout today and into tomorrow afternoon, this is what our Euro model is expecting. So we could see some more rain for the central Bahamas and even central Cuba as well, starting to see some of those yellows popping up around going to maybe 1/4 of an inch of rain or so. We see a bit more color for sections of Jamaica, especially in our eastern parishes. It's definitely going to be a bit wetter compared to the rest of the island. Likewise for northern Hispaniola, sections of Haiti and the Dominican Republic. Turks and Caicos won't experience much in the realm of rainfall, likewise for the Cayman Islands. As for the vicinity of Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands, there could be some showers around, likewise Lesser Antilles, and the chance is very low, but still there for the ABC Islands. Going down to northern South America, for the Guyanas, it may get a little bit active with some showers in the area, especially towards the vicinity of French Guiana. We definitely see these very colorful shadings here. And then Central America, as I mentioned, we've got that frontal system which is helping to influence that rain. So it will definitely result in more rain for Central America, Belize, the Keys, the Bay Islands of Honduras, parts of Guatemala, northern Honduras, going to Nicaragua, and even further south, it may get a little bit active with some downpours as well. So this is a look at our surface chart. We can see our different features. Here's that front, which is helping to bring that cooler weather from the north. So that's what we have going on, guys. Aside from that, we don't have any other significant atmospheric feature out there. Now, as I mentioned, that cool down, let's take a look at our temperature anomaly forecasts from both of our main models. We've got the GFS up first. And in case you're not too familiar with what this map is showing, I mean, it's very colorful. So what does it mean? Well, these different blue shadings indicate where temperatures are cooler than normal. Meanwhile, going to the oranges, yellows, reds indicate where temperatures are warmer than normal. So let's take a look, and here we have the time. So this is Monday the 22nd today. Let's go out and let's see what's expected. So again, that frontal system is bringing out all the cool air. We can see it being marked right in this region. So we've got a lot of cool air. And then notice how things are going to be in the Caribbean. Let me go even further out. Okay, so this is as we head into Christmas Eve, going to Christmas Day, Thursday. We start to see some blue shadings popping up here across the northern Caribbean. Lesser Antilles, we've got some cooler air being blown into the basin by the trade winds. And we see that that's going to be pretty much persistent throughout the week as we even head to Saturday. Look at this. We see these darker blue shadings. So temperatures will be cooler than normal for many of us here in the Caribbean. Is the Euro in agreement with this? Let's see. So here we go again out in time. This is as we head into tomorrow the 23rd, Christmas Eve the 24th. We see these cooler these bluer shadings popping up indicating cooler temperatures, and then go into Christmas Day, we see much of the Caribbean experiencing cooler than normal temperatures at that time. So cooler than normal doesn't mean cold. It doesn't mean that there's going to be some crazy cold temperatures, but temperatures will be cooler than normal. So let's say, for example, it's normally 23 degrees Celsius this time of year. Maybe it's going to go down to 20 or 19 when that massive cooler air is going to be moving in. And even as we head into next week, eventually approaching 2026, I talked about this in previous videos where that temperature dip was expected with another system. The Euro is still consistent about it. So this is New Year's Eve on, the day before New Year's Eve. Let me go to New Year's Eve. So this is the 31st of December. That is next Wednesday. We see all of this massive cool air affecting parts of the northern Caribbean, and then going to New Year's Day, we still see a lot of those blue shadings around, indicating that things are definitely going to be cool. So it is going to be that type of Christmas for many of us guys this week. I hope you are getting your plans in place and already having lots of fun and memorable moments with your family and friends. So I'll be keeping you posted as time goes by once necessary, but I'm expecting that things are going to be pretty much coming to fruition with these forecasts here that we're seeing. We've been observing them for some time, not necessarily anything that is difficult to forecast at this time of year with these types of weather systems. So that's what I wanted to bring to your attention, and I trust and hope you found this update to be informative. If you have any questions, though, you can always feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll get to you when I can, and remember to always be weatherwise.